Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this mini chopper from Silvercrest with high quality glass container, 2 speed settings, gloss finish, you can choose in other colors, ice crusher, 500 ml it is the max capacity, 100 cm the cable, 500 watts the motor, rust-free stainless steel blades, PBA free with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And included we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. One meter cable, it is enough. We have the anti-slip ring. It goes here at the bowl, glass bowl, I like that, it is very heavy. With a glass bowl it feels like a premium product. 500 ml it is the max capacity. And definitely it will stay very secure at any countertop. We have the lid, you can remove that, silicone rubber around, seal it very well. Very good quality, it is very thick, the plastic. The same and the glass container, I just love it. Here we have the blades with a whisk attachment. I can feel the blades are sharp, very sharp. We have this silicone ring here. Left and right we have in the handles for the glass container. And the main unit, the motor housing, speed button level 1 and speed button level 2. Glossy color, silver glossy here. I think it's a great looking mini chopper. So let's move on for testing. Give it a good wash before the first use. Let's start with tomatoes. That is easy. Tomato juice. Onions. too wet. Carrots. It speeds up chopping so you can prepare ingredients in seconds, making it a great tool for quick meals or snacks. The detachable parts make cleaning hassle-free, which is always a plus in the kitchen. Nice. And we have some apples. Nice. And some ice cubes. This little kitchen gadget really impressed me with its efficiency and convenience, making meal prep faster and easier. And some almond nuts. That is nice. So many ingredients. Despite its size, the motor is strong enough to chop through vegetables, nuts and even herbs with ease. And if you want, you can use the whisk. With other liquid ingredients or yogurt. If you're looking for a small yet effective tool to streamline your food prep, the Silvercrest Mini Chopper is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Seal it very well, no leaking, I like that. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.